Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Ciro. Have you ever wanted Mexican style street food in the middle of the night and don't know where to get it? Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic from the comfort of your home. The whole thing will take less than 5 minutes. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a can of whole kernel corn, mayonnaise, butter. You can also use margarine if you like margarine, sour cream, or you can use any other type of Mexican cream, queso fresco or Parmesan cheese. That works as well. And salsa picante. My salsa picante that I'm going to use is Valentina. That's the one that it is. And this is all the ingredients that I'm going to use. It is 6 ingredients. All right, so first things first. Open up your can of corn, pop it in the microwave for about 120 seconds. All right, so the star of the show is out of the microwave. And we're going to get to the assembly. It's very, very easy. Just throw the corn in the cup, and then you add all the fixings, okay? I'm going to be a little fancy today because we're on camera. So I'm going to use a glass cup, all right? So let's take a look. I'm going to be a little fancy. I'm going to line it up with our hot sauce. Look at that, lined up with our hot sauce. Nice and fancy. We'll put our corn in there. All right, now we're just gonna add the rest of the stuff. A little bit of mayonnaise. A little bit of butter. A little bit of sour cream. And cheese. There we go. Look at that. We're going to give it all a nice little mix. And there you have it. Easy. Less than 5 minutes. Look at that. Street food from the comfort of your home. Hey, that's it for this video. Like it. Subscribe. I'll be back with another video. If you don't like this video, that's okay. I'm going to make another one, watch it, and like that one. Later.